Welcome to Real Plans. Whether you're here to save time, eat healthier, or get inspired in the kitchen, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. When you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base for meal planning. Across the top, you'll find the main menu, planner, recipes, shopping list, and settings. To personalize your meal plan, click on the gear icon and head to Settings. Click Change Meal Planning Style to select if you'd like both recipes and a calendar for your meal plan. Our automated plan is our most popular, and it includes personalized recipe selections visually placed on a calendar. But you can select a calendar-free plan, a blank calendar plan where you can add your own recipes, or a macro-driven plan based on your daily macro goals. Click on Personalize My Schedule to access the options to change your specific recipe preferences by day and meal. Want leftovers for lunch on Tuesdays and Mexican dishes on Fridays? This is where you decide. When you click the Prepare a Meal or the Eat Leftovers button on the schedule, you can edit and designate specific recipe categories you'd like to see on a weekly basis. You can even set time limits for days when you want quicker recipes. Click the Tags drop-down for even more customizable options. Specify meals you'd like to eat from a specific cuisine or adjust the number of servings for a specific day and meal. This will scale your grocery list and recipes accordingly for that meal. You can also select days where you'd like to eat leftovers. Just select No and choose if you would like to have leftovers from a previous day's meal. This will automatically scale up your recipe servings on your selected day so you will have enough for both meals. Under Personalized Dietary Preferences, you'll choose your primary diet, like Whole30, Vegan, or Classic, and exclude any ingredients you don't eat. You can also type in specific ingredients you prefer to avoid. Press Save to return to your diet and schedule settings. Then, deploy your new plan. Choose if you would like to update this week's meal plan or apply your settings for the following week's meal plan. Under Advanced Settings, you can specify the cooking equipment you have, or adjust the number of people in your household you'd regularly like to cook for. This helps scale your grocery list and recipes for the entire week. Don't forget to update your settings if you made any changes. Click Profile to change your password, set your time zone, or set your favorite store. Need a hand? Click the question mark icon in the top right corner for help articles, FAQs, or to contact customer support directly. Click on the Planner tab to view your weekly plan. You'll see scheduled meals for each day based on your preferences. Click on any meal to view or replace the recipe. This is your recipe card showing the recipe reviews, ingredients in the recipe, time required to make the recipe, and more. Click Actions to print, tweak a recipe, schedule it for another day, view its nutrition facts, remove it from this week's plan, or hide it altogether from future plans. Nutrition facts are approximate and are shown per serving. Don't forget to favorite a recipe you want to return to again. You can view these under the Favorite Recipes tab, or search for other recipes by typing in recipe names or ingredients into the search bar. To add a recipe, click and drag a recipe from the left sidebar onto your planner or from a different day. Click the Recipe Box tab on the top to access all recipes. Here you can browse by cuisine, diet type, cook time, and more to add to your planner. To add your own recipe, click Import Recipe in the upper right. You can enter it manually or import it from a website. Your custom recipes will be available in your personal library and the planner. From your planner, you can also swap recipes from other days by clicking and dragging them wherever you'd like. Click the X on the top right of a recipe to remove it from your planner. Your meal planner will automatically update and save changes. Click the View Shopping List tab to view your auto-generated list for the week. View Schedule Ingredients to add staple ingredients to your reoccurring shopping list. Real Plans will offer you recommended staple items, or you can select your own. Items on your grocery list are organized by store and department, so you can add these in for staple items as well. Then, don't forget to set the frequency with which they appear on your grocery list. Your staple items will automatically be added to your shopping list and reappear on future grocery lists depending on the frequency you selected. Next, check off items you have on hand. These will automatically be excluded from your shopping list. When you're ready to shop, you can send your list directly to Instacart. Instacart enables you to have up to 50 ingredients delivered straight from your grocery list. You can also manage your shops to organize your ingredients by location where you purchase them, have your grocery list instantly emailed to you, or print your grocery list. Click View Timeline to view your instructions by day and see any preparation steps required before the meal date. Click View Your Pantry to check off items you have on hand and remove them from your shopping list. Real Plans will also suggest recipes you can make from these ingredients. Enjoying this week's plan? You can copy it over to another week in the future. Click View Macro Tracker to track your macronutrient select goals to update your nutrition goals. Click Print this plan to generate a printable plan with your calendar, grocery list, and recipes. And that's your full walkthrough of real plans. With your preferences set and your week planned, you're ready to take control of mealtime. For quick how-tos, check out our individual feature videos or visit our help center. Happy planning!